Okay, I wanted to show you this little handy multi-use tool before we send it on. It's really nice. It's big and it's got like a whole bunch of features. I have to get the guide out just to see them all. That's how many features this thing has. I mean, it's ridiculous. So I always just open them up in the middle like I always do and open it on up. And that's when I figure out what I gotta have. In this case, heck, I don't even know what they all are. So we'll just pull them out, maybe. There we go. And we also have, you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to turn my voice off and play music the whole time for this. And there it is. And all its tool glory. Has a bunch. And he's a nice guy. And he, the guy that owns it, nice guy, willing to help out anybody that needs it. Okay. And that's it. Thanks.